Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Roblox on your PC and signing into the account you'll use. Make sure you have an emoji picker available, press Win Plus. Or use a lightweight clipboard manager or browser extension. These let you insert Unicode emoji quickly. Once done, check whether the area you'll use accepts text chat or input fields, because some in-game interfaces only accept decals or image assets. This step saves time and prevents trying the wrong method later. You now focus the specific input. Click the chat box or any text box where you want emoji. Use the emoji picker and click an emoji or copy one and paste. This ensures Unicode characters are sent intact. If you're editing a GUI in Roblox Studio, open the properties for a text label or text box and paste emoji into the text property. Make sure the font supports emoji rendering. Doing it this way avoids broken characters and keeps alignment consistent across. You finish by deciding whether emoji must be images or text. For image-based emoji, export a PNG with transparency, upload it as a decal, then apply it to a surface GUI or part. Tweak size, transparency, and z-index to match the scene. If you used Unicode and see empty boxes, try a different UI font or force UTF-8 encoding. This usually fixes missing glyphs. If problems persist, confirm the platform version and test on another PC to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.